Next, remaining question of assignment 2 for chapter 4 is next question itself is a solenoid is 2 meter long and 3 centimeter in diameter. It has 5 layers of winding of 1000 turns each layer. 5 layers of 1000 each, and carries a current of 5 ampere. What is the magnetic field at its center? So the diagram for it is like this. You have a solenoid at the center. What is the magnetic field at the center point O? Okay, and length of the solenoid is given 2 meter. It has 5 layers of winding, 1000 turns each. So capital N, total number of turns will be 5 into 1000, 5000. Small n, number of turns per unit length will be capital N by L, which is this much. Okay, diameter is 3 centimeter given, तो radius 1.5 centimeter हो जाएगा क्रॉस सेक्शन का. Current 5 ampere is given. You have to find B naught. Now you know that from solenoid magnetic field is mu naught n I. So n you have calculated here. I 5 ampere दिया हुआ है. mu naught तुम्हें पता है, mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the minus 7. Substitute and you'll get. And the direction is along the axis. Okay. Now 8th question. If you see 8th question, it is, this is the diagram. Okay. Determine magnetic field at the center. So this is our coil. Okay, these are the arcs of a circle. The radius is given. These are not connected to the center, but you have to find magnetic field at the center at this point. Okay, so how will you find it? So here you see, if you have a complete circle carrying current I, then the magnetic field at this point is mu naught I by 2r, where r is the radius. Okay, depending on the direction of current, it will be inside the plane of the paper or outside the plane of the paper. Now if you don't have complete circle, if you only have a part of a circle, the wire is only a arc length, and this is the direction of the current here or this side, theta, this arc forms angle theta at the center of the arc. Then the magnetic field at this point is just theta by 360 mu naught I by 2 pi r. जैसे हम circumference क्या हो जाएगा, theta by 360 2 pi r, वैसे magnetic field theta by 360 mu naught I by 2 r, and the direction is given by right hand curl rule. सो अभी ये इस तरफ कर्ल है तो थंब पॉइंटिंग डाउनवर्ड, अगर करंट ऐसे होता तो थंब पॉइंटिंग अपवर्ड. सो ओके, दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला. सो दिस फॉर्मूला वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर. Okay, at the center now there are 4 parts, 1 2 3 4 parts of the magnetic of the wire. Now this part and this part are along this line, so this point is actually along this line. So magnetic field for this part and this part will be 0. Your magnetic field only is because of these two parts. Okay, if I name A B C D, so your magnetic field because of part AB is 0, magnetic field because of part CD is 0, but you have magnetic field because of part BC and magnetic field because of part AD. Okay, now magnetic field because of part BC, what is its value? This is the direction. First direction देखो, ये कर्ल का direction है, thumb is pointing downwards, so inside the plane of the paper, and magnitude is theta by 360 into mu naught I upon, this is the radius, mu naught I upon 2 r2. Okay, downward or inside the plane of paper, inside plane of paper. And what will be BAD? BAD will be, this is the direction, so upward. Okay, so theta by 360 mu naught I upon 2 r1, outside plane of paper. Now out of these two, which one is greater? ये दोनों common part है, mu naught I 2 same है. r2 बड़ा है, r1 बड़ा है, r2 बड़ा है, इसका मतलब डिनोमिनेटर में लेके, so this will be small, this will be greater. So my net magnetic field I will do BAD minus BBC. ऐसे तो तुम कुछ भी माइनस कर सकते हो, किसी से भी कुछ भी. If you will get positive number, that direction will be, I mean, you know, it can take. So here it will be theta by 360, all common things I am taking, mu naught I by 2 ले ले रही common, upon 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This will be your magnetic field at the center, and because I took BAD minus BC, you see r1 is smaller denominator, so this fraction will be greater, so this will be a positive number. That means this part outside the plane of net magnetic field is outside the plane of paper. Okay, so children, 9th question, it is given that there are two concentric coils, so their center is same, but these concentric coil are set such that their axis is perpendicular to each other. मतलब अगर एक coil इस plane में ऐसे circle में है, तो दूसरा coil ऐसा circle होगा. ठीक है, मतलब इसका axis vertically up, the second coil will be इन सच अ वे उसका एक्सिस ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टल हो गया. सो दे बोथ आर हैविंग, फॉर दिस कॉइल axis will be this, okay, and for this coil axis will be horizontal. Okay, now you see, because of this coil, if you see from above, the direction of the coil is magnetic field, the curl is this side. ठीक है, ये वाला जो कर्ल इस तरफ है, तो फिर my thumb is pointing upward. So magnetic field due to the coil 1, this is the magnetic field B1. साइड में ड्रॉ करूँ तो this is B1. And due to this, ये वाला coil 2, so this is the direction, so my thumb is pointing this side, so magnetic field due to coil 2 is this B2, so this is direction of B2. Okay, now due to this is at the center of the circular coil, so magnitude of B1 will be equal to mu naught I1 upon 2 R1, N1 में multiply होगा, and for B2 it is mu naught I2 N2 upon 2R2. Now you see they both are identical, so दोनों का रेडियस सेम है, वो से मिलेंगे. म्यू नॉट तो सेम ही है, I1 I2 दिया हुआ है, N1 N2 भी सेम ही दिया हुआ है, सेम नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स. ओके, इफ यू सी द क्वेश्चन, the number of turns n lie coincidentally with same radius, same number of turns. So now, but they are perpendicular to each other, so the net magnetic field will be, from parallelogram law of vector addition you will find out. Okay, what they are asking is what is the magnetic field at its center. Here is the question. Okay, find the magnetic field at the center. So magnetic field मतलब magnitude as well as direction. So पहले magnitude find करो. So B1 will be mu naught I is what? I, N is N upon 2R, and this is mu naught root 5I. So I N फिर root 5 लिखती हूँ upon 2R. ओके, फिर जब इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे B नॉट विल बी इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ B1 स्क्वायर प्लस B2 स्क्वायर. जब तुम ये इसमें डालोगे तो ये कुछ सब्सटीट्यूट करो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कुछ कॉमन टर्म्स आएंगे. म्यू नॉट आई एन बाय 2R कॉमन आएगा, और जो बचेगा वो आएगा 1 प्लस रूट 5 का स्क्वायर. सो म्यू नॉट आई एन बाय 2R, दिस विल बिकम 5 प्लस 1 6, so root 6. This will be your magnitude. Okay, and for direction, suppose this angle is alpha. Okay, so tan alpha will be perpendicular, मतलब B1 upon base, which is B2. So B1 by B2 if you divide, you get 1 by root 5. So alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 5. Okay, towards vertical with respect to base, at an angle tan inverse 1 by root 5 towards vertical with respect to horizontal. Okay, now 10th question is, this diagram is given, you have to find the expression for magnetic field at O due to the current I through the conductor of the shape shown in the figure. So if you see this is the diagram, and at this center you have to find magnetic field. You see current, ये वायर ऐसी है, यहाँ से current जा रहा है, फिर ऐसे 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 ऐसे. So these are the arc parts with central angle alpha, and these are the straight parts. Now because these straight parts के along center इसी के ऊपर lie कर रहा है, so magnetic field due to this part, this part, this part and this part will be 0. There is no contribution. Only contribution is because of these parts. Okay, so if suppose I name them A, B, C, D, E, F, तो मुझे magnetic field जो यहाँ पे, it is only because of B, A, B, B, C, D और B is E, F. ठीक है, now A, B के वजह से see the direction will be outside the plane of paper. ठीक है, outside, और magnitude क्या हो जाएगा, अल्फा बाय 360 इंटू म्यू नॉट आई अपॉन 2R. ठीक है, ऑन सी डी की वजह से अल्फा बाय 360 म्यू नॉट आई अपॉन, क्योंकि करंट सेम है बट 2R की जगह ना दिस इज रेडियस 2 इंटू 2R विच विल बी 4R. ओके, एंड व्हाट विल बी इट्स डायरेक्शन, क्योंकि करंट अब ऐसे है, यू सी इधर है, तो मेरा थंब नीचे है, डाउनवर्ड.